Okay, in this video we're going to look at the three different presentation layers that Navi has to show your dashboard to you. The first one we'll be looking at is the standard dashboard we've been working with, which has everything laid out in tiles. You can mouse over each one and see a tooltip containing other data that's not onto the tile. If we go up here, we can change from the dashboard to the Manhattan view, which stacks everything up from the bottom upwards. So what we can use this for is if we click on the expand all button up here, you'll notice the project name will move to the bottom and then it'll have all the activities in that project. So we can see down here we have the project name, and then we have all the activities for that project. So you can get an overview of how they're all traveling. You can see all the percent complete bars across there. You can see where things are doing well, where they're not doing so well. And you can keep drilling down here. You can pick on this activity here. That'll take you to all the work orders onto the activity. And if you click expand all again, that'll show you all the work tasks onto those work orders. So that gives you a fairly high view. You can see this one, for example, set to 100% complete, whereas this work task is way down at 21% complete. You can make the fills slightly clearer to make it more obvious. And that's what the Manhattan is. This button here toggles you between the two. In case I haven't mentioned it before, this slider here increases and decreases the size of each tile to suit what you want. That also works on the Manhattan view. You can make the tiles much bigger if you're so inclined. Again, this includes the alerts and the indicators. The third view we haven't seen yet is this button here. This takes you into the list view. So this shows all the fields we had tagged on the level that were listed onto the list view. Again, shows you the alerts and the indicators, but this shows all the data across, and from here you can export that directly to Excel. If you want to, you can go back into this view here. We can expand all the work orders. You should go back to top level. We can expand all the projects, so we get all the activities. And now when we click on this, we get all the activities for all of those projects, all listed in one page, which down the bottom you can still export to Excel. Up the top, sorry. So everything here is exportable to Excel. To get back, just click this button here and it takes you back to the other views. The other buttons we have up here is this button here turns the tooltips on or off. So you can see tooltip on, tooltip off. This one here is for the information. There's no information on here. I'll show you that afterwards. And this last tile here moves it between light and dark view. You can also come over to here to your account and you can choose how you want, what colors you want. For your dashboard, you can have the crosses turned on or off. You can design your own if you want to. And you can choose whether the tile's highlighted or lifted when you mouse over it. You've also got a view of the dashboards you've got access to. And they are the views for the dashboard.